we're going to be making the handle pins out of these. So today I'm going to be drilling everything, trying to get the handle pins drilled to something. Shit. Cut that. So today I'm going to be drilling the knife. Cut that. So today I'm going to be drilling the knife handle. Where in the hell did I put that knife? Found it. I'm going to cut these, get everything the right size, get this coating off of here. Yeah, that's the plan. Here we go. Alright folks, got all the holes drilled for the handle. I think we're ready to go in for the quench. Alright folks, well, everything went good with the heat quench, thank goodness. Blade is hard, music to my ears. So, don't forget it's not too late, there's still one lucky winner that can get this knife. All you have to do is go into the comment section of one of these videos, like, share, subscribe, all those good things, write the word done whenever you're done. And that is pretty much it. I think I'm going to be working on the handle tomorrow night. And yeah, I got to find the material from the flea market. Then I'll start getting the handle done. Yeah, by the end of next week, this will be somebody else's.